So you're gonna put a queen separator on here. In a shallow.
No, I'm gonna put them motherfuckers off.
Woo, fuck these bees. Oh, these ain't from my community.
Go.
You got this messed up can.
Did you put pine in? More.
Hold up.
More. We gonna be out for a while.
Oh my God. I don't want to smother it. See, the person, they don't make the fire talking about more and more. And then when it gets smothered, they're going to be like, just light it up again.
I ain't trying to light. It ain't gonna get smothered.
There we go. You want me to open the lid? You see it's smoking like you.
We're wasting the smoke then.
How can I waste smoke?
You got fire
Oh,
coming out.
yeah, there. See, you don't want to get it
you
too hot.
busy videoing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me see the smoker.
Claire.
You ain't finna get no bees, are you? You said?
Yeah. But we ready now. Tripping a little bit though, I ain't gonna hold you. Hold up. Oh, it's tripping a little bit. It's full.
Right, so we need a queen separator on there and another super.
Can't smoke. Yeah, they look like they're happy.
They're cool.
Yeah, they're hella cool in there.
They're cool. You just need to give them some space to build, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
They all look happy. Smoke me out real quick. I'm right in front.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
You don't have a queen separator?
I don't have one there.
There ain't one in that one? Yeah, there is one on the top, right?
Yeah.
So we'll take the queen separator out of there.
And set this one on top of this.
Yeah. I'll put the queen separator.
Oh, it's bees down in there.
Let them join them. Fuck them. Because they ain't really doing much.
Oh, they stealing.
Yeah. So we take that one off and set it there? After we take the queen. Man, y'all love it with the smoke. I know we're gonna take the queen separator off here, put it there, and then put that white one on top of that one. Hive tool.
You want to put something on your legs? You want to put something on your face?
Michael.
You know how y'all is about your face.
I'm a cameraman.
Huh?
Michael's not here right now.
But you could still put a veil on.
Oh, veils?
one in the middle is. Ain't nothing in there.
This one is only this one?
That one and this one over here.
Which one we going at?
We can go this one first.
The niggas didn't bring no hive tools.
Where the hive tool? Clara still got it? Okay. I got spider web going from.
We might need some fucking brush in a minute.
Let me get that spider web. You just walk through it. You don't
Spider
care.
Is this thing sturdy? Probably not.
Don't stand right there in front, Michael. Stand on the side.
You'll know when they
Get on
start
you.
carrying. Ooh, it ain't budge. You got it.
We lifting the whole thing.
Fucking thing up. Yeah, it's that.
With a hive tool.
Until it toss it. Yeah, come on. Not as gently as you did that last water. Throw it as hard as you humanly possibly. Oh, okay.
You want a brush?
Yeah.
We want it all. Come down with everything in your hands.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Wait,
I don't think she's gonna throw that far.
I'm coming in a minute.
Crack. Damn.
Stand on the side.
You see I moved. Man, y'all be opening these from time to time, you say?
No, I haven't opened this one in years.
Oh.
Pull one of them out, Gaston, like this one over here.
This one?
Yeah.
It look empty.
No, it don't. It look like it's full of honey. The top part full of honey.
Oh, damn, you might be right. That joint might be stacked with honey. Shit, it felt kind of heavy. Ooh. Maybe like one puff of smoky.
Yeah, that's beautiful. You know she don't want that.
Oh, yeah, look at
Let me see the other
Too much
side.
heat.
Oh, no, the other side ain't.
Oh, okay. But look at the one next to it.
Yeah, but what about the other side?
The other side of it.
Yeah.
It looks kind of. It looks like everything is heavy on this side. To be honest. It looks.
Don't let Clara see that because she don't want to go. Oh, we can just take that.
Yeah, they're all kind of heavy on this side, and then a little lighter on the other side. You want to try the second one too?
Just want to move it so you can see it. You can see that side from over there now, right?
But
You
if
can
it's
see-
nice, I mean, you're still leaving it in there. Huh?
You see the bite?
Oh yeah, I can still see some white on it, but it's thicker than that one was.
Okay, pull it up if you can.
Smoke on it. Did you lift it though? You didn't lift it. You broke it. Mark,
Yeah, I
you
got
gotta lift this one.
We didn't bring nothing to carry nothing back up there with
I
us.
mean, I could carry one.
One.
How many are you trying to rob these people of? There you go.
You see all these nice ones. Is that nice on that
Oh.
side?
How does it look on that side? Good?
Good.
Oh, let's see.
That side. Look at that drip. Did you catch that drip, Michael?
Like, can you zoom in on the bees right there? Oh, you got zoom maybe.
You see that drip right here?
Oh shit, alright. This one get upset. When your fingers be when your fingers be in between them.
What you think?
You know I like to leave it as long as possible, so
Okay, what about looking at
it looks like it goes lighter as it goes this way. I said we go on the other one. This one looks great.
that look good? And this side look both
Yeah.
of these look good. These two here look good.
That whole top looks great.
But leave them.
I mean, if you want them to finish out, they look great though. I think the right side could get a little thicker maybe, but they look great.
By the end of this month, huh?
And that whole thing will be ready to go too. It ain't just gonna be like a couple frames out of there. It's gonna be the whole thing.
Yeah, at the end of the month, huh?
I think so. Hell yeah.
So we gotta remember, we gotta set a date.
You cleaning the top off of that one before you close it out?
Yeah.
Let me see the smoker. I'm gonna try to get some more smoke for the next one. See, this called a workflow. You see how this work? This called the workflow. I see once you got the handle, I go, hey, let me attempt to do something else. Wow, get to work. Mona, you said the middle one is all gone, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
And that was the one me and you started. Remember my very first time guest on?
Oh yeah.
That was that one.
That one came out good though.
Now it's gone.
Oh, this middle one was?
Yeah, that was the one that me and you started, that you showed me.
That one was thick though.
Yeah, for years.
Woo! Hey, they could have figured out a way to make the top not hotter this one. That would have been beneficial. Oh yeah, these bees are more active. And I don't like this brush all over the fucking place. Woo! Dude, this thing's so sketch. It's like on this rock back
That
here.
one is the one that just took over.
But this one's so sketchy.
I don't think we ever got honey down there. Where
Oh, it's hella bees up in this thing.
smoke them down.
Huh?
They're smoke them down.
Yeah, this one's the rowdiest hive that we
That's the
done.
road one. That's the one that took over.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's the one we had the hive was empty and then we went to go put bees in it and some had already moved in.
Do you want to look at this one? It's pretty, the top, there's nothing really going on. I feel like you're going to want to move the whole top box off and look underneath it.
You was able to open it like that? It ain't even
It's this
stuck.
one I feel like is directly in the sun, so it's, you know what I'm saying? That one's kind of hidden, so that shit, when it's hot, that wax be easier to move. It looks pretty boring on top.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, if there's anything, it would be in the one below it, but I don't even see no honey.
It would be in this one because the queen separator is there.
Oh, so it would be in this one then?
Yeah.
Well, I don't see no honey.
Me either. Close them back up.
So right now, the only one that's really booming down here is that one over there.
Yeah. And we have to remember to get that out of there in April so that they won't
This
swarm.
is April.
Right. I mean, at the end of the month. We're going to give them a couple of more weeks to work
Ooh,
on.
these hoes is mad.
Yeah, they mad.
Look at them. Angered.
One on your pants leg on the left.
Fuck my pant leg, dude. One just hit me in the head. He was hella mad.
He
The one
popped
that-
you in your head. He gave you a warning. Get
Yeah,
up.
the one that hit me in the head banged into my head hella hard.
Is that a bee right there?
No, it's a damn champion sign.
Okay.
Ah, it's gone.
That one already?
You gotta
Yeah.
also use deductive reasoning along with your eyes. And be like, is that the largest fucking bee ever? Get it, like rabbit. Alright, we coming up.
So at the end of April, Gaston.
Are these greens? Right here?
What's it look like?
They look like green. That hive down there, oh, never mind.
What is it doing?
It's doing well.
That's what I thought for real.
Yeah.
What is?
That's the combined two Hayward ones.
Mm-hmm.
Mountain goat. A real mountain goat.
You need a super?
No. We gonna get those clean before them new bees come.